Sustained sheep is what will move through the fields, turning science into what the farmer feels. Low emissions, breeding sheep so strong, building a future where we all belong. Portable chambers in the morning light, measuring methane, keeping it right. Aligning efforts from land to sea, sustained sheep for a world that's free. Sustained sheep, take me home to a farm where the green grass grows. Low emissions, the future is clear. Sustained sheep will lead the way from here. Breeding for better, cutting the gas, tools for the farmer, solutions that last. Policy makers and ranchers all know the future of farming is ready to show. Genetic merit in every flock, reducing the impact, spread the word. Sustainability's the path we take. With every choice, a difference we make. Sustained sheep, take me home to a farm where the green grass grows. Low emissions, the future is clear. Sustained sheep will lead the way from here. Re-review the science, find the way, breeding for a better day. From policies to farmers' hands, working together across the lands. Sustained sheep, take me home to a farm where the green grass grows. Low emissions, the future is clear. Sustained sheep will lead the way from here. Yeah, sustained sheep through the fields we roam, building a future, making this world our home. Low emissions and a brand new day. Sustained sheep will guide the way.